We have here the Grant handheld steam cleaner from Harbor Freight. I am going to be doing an unboxing. I'm going to be using my Harbor Freight utility knife to open it up. Got the steamer. Bag. One of the attachments. So another attachment. Instructions. So there's one thing I noticed when I open this up. Notice the O-ring on this is damaged. I don't know if you can see it from here. Looks also damaged. It's all distorted. So just make sure if you have one to check it out. So the Grant steamer came with a funnel, tiny funnel. So you can fill it up. You got a measuring cup. Some brush attachments. Another little attachment. Flex attachment. See the O-rings distorted. The little brass is distorted. There's actually crack in the O-ring. Can't really tell in the video. Just make sure if you get one of these, to just check this. Make sure all your O-rings are okay, good. So the only thing I'm concerned right now with is the actual lid itself. I'm not sure if it's going to actually seal. Either way, I'm going to have to go take it back, get a replacement. But I'm going to try it out. See if this thing actually works. So subscribe and look out for my next video. Probably be using this to remove some window tint off my car. Possibly doing a video on cleaning my barbecue grills. So, thanks for watching. So I did verify that it is leaking from that O-ring. I'm gonna have to take it back for sure. You see the steam coming out from the top. Go ahead and do something.